What's up guys, I'm Sean. Welcome back to Fix My Home channel. Today I want to show you how to paint this wall. As you see, this wall has a different finish. You can see the line here. This side on the left side is flat finish, the other side is eggshell. So they messed up the finish here. As you see, all the way here is the eggshell and here is flat. So we're gonna fix that. We're gonna paint all the wall to the eggshell and let's start it. So if you want to know how many finish we have flat, eggshell, semi-gloss and gloss. And also what's the difference with those? The eggshell finish have a slight gloss of about 10 to 25% and are slightly more durable than the flat finish. So I want to get back to the video. If you want to learn more, stop the video here. You can read this. So I'm gonna remove all the outlet cover. So you don't want to paint those, and you don't want to start taping around them. So I remove all the covers, and this is the blue tape. So you can tape around what area you don't want to paint it, like around the numbers, around the corner, around the frame of the door. But I'm not using it. Take a lot of time to just tape it, so I'm not using it. So the way you want to start, you start from left down corner, you go into the up right corner and start going up and down, up and down. So that way you always have enough paint in your roller. So this is the way I do, and always I have the paint on my roller, and you just make a section. So I did this section. I'm gonna get the paint again, and after that I'm gonna do the bottom side and do the same thing. So when you finish the bottom side, you go all the way from top to the bottom. So to match all the paint from top to the bottom. So I don't do that all the way to the top because the ceiling top and the bottom I have a baseboard. So I'm gonna cut those with the brush. So I paint all the way from that wall to here. I pass this door. So I see here is dry already, but when you move to this side, it's still wet. So don't worry if you see the line like this. Don't worry and you think you painted bad. As you see here, this area is wet, and it's getting dry. If you look at just like that, you think is bad, and you just paint over. So don't do that. So here you see it's dry and it look good. So you just have to give it time to let it dry. Just go one time as I show you, just one time, and keep going, and when it's getting dry it's gonna be look good. So I just doing all this wall, and after that I'm gonna show you how to cut it. So for cutting the paint with the brush, is always come to the good brush and good paint. So good quality of the paint and brush is very important. Don't buy the cheap brush, buy the good brush for the pro and do it one time. As you see, I don't cover the number with the blue tape. I just go around it. You just have to be careful to don't mess it up. You just have to push a brush, and when it's like a straight line, you just go with the paint. That easy. So you need to practice a little, but I'm sure everyone can do that. Just be patient. There you go. I just finished painting the wall and cutting all the corner on the ceiling and baseboard. So everyone can do it. Believe me, just you have to practice. If you want to learn how to remodel your home, fix your problem around your home, subscribe my channel. Have a great day.